Tell me on the best diet. I be feeling like yes, I am. You know I'm the best diet. Be a fool and not take me as I am.
What's up, XO gang, and welcome back to the channel. I'm XObrytanni for those who are new. I'm a fashion and lifestyle channel, strictly fashion, a little bit of lifestyle. If you're interested in watching some college vlogs, be sure to check out the cards in the description box below where you can get all the tea on my college experience, okay? From the cheerleading, to the social life, to the parties, to the studying, to being in a relationship, all that good stuff, all the juicy stuff, the dorm tours, everything is in that playlist, okay? So make sure y'all go check it out. In today's video, I'm going to be doing something a little different. So I am going on a trip to Florida, y'all. I like to say that I haven't been here, but I really have been here. I went here once with my friend, probably like almost 10 years ago. We went to Kissimmee for her birthday, but it was not a good trip whatsoever. But I wanted to show y'all what I'll be packing on my vacation. This is my first vacation that I've had since COVID, y'all. So I'm OD hyped, okay? I do have the itinerary right here on my phone, so I can basically show you guys, like go through what we're doing throughout the day and let you know what outfit I'm gonna be wearing for each thing. Alright, y'all, so this is my first little outfit. This is like my little lounge outfit, my on the way outfit. So we are gonna be leaving Thursday night. And we're all working women, so we have to basically get off of work first. So we're not really gonna get there to do anything. We're really just getting there to settle in and just get straight to the drinking, get straight to celebrating and bringing in Kayla's birthday, because her birthday is Friday. But this is just like my chill outfit number one. This is just to wear down there. Super cute, super comfy. I got this from Sam's Club. I love their stuff. It's so soft, it's great quality, and it's cheap. This entire outfit was $20. $20, you heard me right, $20. Alright, y'all, so this is outfit number two. This is technically our first day here. We'll be going to brunch. So I don't have it zipped up all the way because I'm by myself right now. But you know, it's giving like vacation vibe. But I got the hat. I got this whole entire outfit thrifted actually. So let's get into it, okay? I got the hat from Platos Closet. I have the skirt from Platos Closet, bag from Platos Closet, and you guessed it, the shoes are from Platos Closet as well. So I have these really cute white sandals. It has this cute little white bow in front of it, so cute. And then this is the detail of the bag. It's a straw bag, and it is a Juicy Couture bag. So I really lucked out getting this. So this dress is just a mini dress, super cute, nice and fitted. And it's obviously gonna lift my girls up a little more once I zip that back part. But it's definitely giving vacay, okay? Straw hat, straw bag. You feel me? Like it's super duper cute. I can see the pictures now. Alright, y'all, so the hat is $8. The dress was $10. The shoes were $8, and then the bag was $12. It's giving vacay, as it should. So I'm super excited about that. This is super cute, and I really can't wait to take pictures. Alright, so outfit number three. This is basically our beach day. So this is probably more than likely will be right after brunch. This would be like our first activity that we do. But you guys saw the actual bathing suit, so this is just my cover up. It's gonna be really hot, you guys. So all I have is just like this skirt. It's from a pretty little thing, so I'm not exactly sure how much it is. I got it like over a year ago. But it has slits on both sides, and so I'm keeping the straw thing, we have the nude thing going on, and I'm keeping the same white sandals as well. So this is just like a really cute, just like chill, you know, giving you a little print or whatever, you know, or whatevs. So it's been trendy to do a little under boob action, so that's all I have going on here. You know, I gotta give sex, you know, I'm 23, I gotta find me a little BDB or something, you know what I'm saying? If you don't know what BDB means, make sure you listen and support mine, period. Alright, you guys, so this is outfit number four. This is gonna be like a going out outfit. It's very simple, just like, you know, white button up and some shorts. But I paired it with these really cute booties. And I know it's gonna be hot, so I decided to wear this at night when it gets a little cooler. And I just have this little offset color with this super cute mini bag. And then of course, I wanted to kind of jazz it up with wearing this really cute Von Dutch hat. But I definitely think this is just super cute. It's a nice vibe. It has a little booty out or whatever, you know what I'm saying? So I'm giving a little grown or whatever. And of course, you know, my cleavage is out, so it's just gonna make for it just being a lot sexier than what it normally would be if it was just a regular button up and some shorts. So I thought this was just super cute. It was chill. I'm definitely gonna try to find either some pasties or some double-sided tape or something, because I do not need the girls flying out. Because if we're going out to a bar or something, I'm definitely gonna be drinking, and I don't need to be, you know, singing mulatto and a titty fall out. Okay, so but I definitely want you to get the gist with the yitties, alright? You know what I'm saying? It's a part of the outfit, it's part of the fit to have the cleavage showing, okay? If I try to run down, the boots are from Pretty Little Thing. They were probably about $20. I'm getting guessy here now, y'all, because I don't have no tags, but the boots are probably like $20. Shorts were from Fashion Nova. These were like $11. These were on sale. This shirt was obviously thrifted from Goodwill, so it's probably about $5. The bag was about $11, I believe. I got this for my birthday. And Von Dutch hat was like $60. So, cute little $100 outfit. Alright, y'all, so this is the second possible beach outfit. I'm not even exactly sure if we're gonna go to the beach 2 days in a row, but just in case we want to, this would be that, or I'll probably decide between this or the other one. But this is just a really cute fit that I got from SheIn. It's a sheer dress all the way around. And as you can see, there's an opening right here. So I got this entire suit for $16. So that's pretty worth it. And then the shoes that I have are just these really cute shoes that I bought from SheIn sometime over the summer. And they have some nice diamond detailing on them, also from SheIn. So this is just really super cute. It's very different from what I would normally wear. So more than likely, I'll probably just keep this on if we go to the beach or something. I'll just keep the cover up on. But the cover up is ruched, so it has like these long strings right here. I'll probably just end up tying them or something. But you can make it as short or as long as you want. Probably still carrying my straw bag. This is the bag for the weekend, obviously. I just like this because it gives just like a different vibe from just wearing a bathing suit and like some type of cover up. So it's still cute, still fashionable, and again, y'all know I'm gonna get a pic. You know I'm gonna get a pic. Alright, you guys, so this is the beginning of day 2. Now, if I'm going off of my itinerary, this will be a brunch fit. This is the bag for the weekend. This is gonna go with like almost every outfit. It's a straw bag, so it goes with every outfit, but it just adds that vacation vibe to the fit. So this shirt I got from, let me think for a little bit. This shirt I got from Route 21. I got it on a Black Friday haul like 2 years ago. But these jeans I got from SheIn, and they're really long. They're very tall girl friendly. You can see they're not like, they're way further than my heel. Like I have to kind of pull them up. So definitely tall girl friendly if you wanted to get these jeans. And they just have a bunch of like rips in them or whatever. So it's just super cute. It gives a nice little vibe for the daytime. You know, still having some skin out, but still giving like day brunch vibes or whatever. Alright, you guys, so this is outfit number, I don't even know what this might be. So this is kind of serve as like a lounge outfit. One of the things on Kayla's itinerary is to do like some sightseeing or something. So this is just a cute little 2-piece. I paired it with some little not high top, but some platform Converse or whatever. I just think this would just be cute. Maybe throw on like a slight little jacket, because it's gonna be hot, but I think it would be cute just to kind of like prance around it or something. I'm not even sure if this is gonna be worn. It just depends on what like activity that we do. But these are super cute. It has like the little lining on the butt, in the front, it has the waistband. It's definitely giving a little Skims vibe, you know what I mean? This set was like $15 altogether, so super cute. Of course the Converse were the most expensive. They were like $50, but still a super cute outfit. So with this, my normal size is a large, and I sized down to a medium, but I honestly could have got a size small. There's still some gapping within here, and then for here I put the strap all the way at the top of my bra, and it's still, I mean, it fits obviously, but it's still a little loose fitting. So I feel like if I got a small, it'll probably kind of lift them up here instead of being here. So I know it's not a big difference, but it is just, I would just feel a little better. So I'm definitely gonna have to get some double-sided tape, but this is still cute. Okay, so this is my nighttime outfit, second nighttime outfit. It depends on what we do. One night we're supposed to be going to like a club, and then the other night we may or may not go out. So it really just depends on how I'm feeling. I really want to take a picture in this though, because I think this is super cute. These are the pants. They have like this underwear vibe, and so you tie them at the side, and so I'm trying to make it cute so that it doesn't look like ugly or crazy or anything. So I'm trying to like tie them in bows or whatever. So that's what's kind of sort of going on here. The top I can really tie anyway, so if I wanted to keep it like this I could. The way I'm gonna wear it, I'm just going to tie it around my neck so it'll give off this vibe. So one other way I can wear her is just straight across like this, playing no games, giving you body, okay, giving you skin, okay. Tie it backwards and give a little extra in the back. Like, there's so many different ways I can wear this top, and that's why I ordered it. So the top is from SheIn. The top was probably like $10. The bottom's up a Pretty Little Thing, and I actually thrifted these shoes like a while ago. But this is super cute, and of course with the bob is serving, honey. Alright, so that is all that I have for this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if y'all like this type of video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!